Prosecutors say Tony Haase stabbed and killed Tana Tongstad and Tim Mumbrue back in 1992 in their Royalton home. Haase told police he was drunk when he started thinking about a snowmobile crash that killed his father. Tongstad's father was involved in that crash. Haase decided to confront the two, and that's when police say Haase killed them both. The case went cold for years before DNA evidence linked Haase to the killings. Local 5's Paul Stino has more on today's court proceedings.
Is crime scene evidence still reliable after over 30 years? It's a question that the two sides in the Tony Haase murder trial have very different answers to.
The Wisconsin State Crime Lab and the Waupaca County investigators did something remarkable. They preserved the evidence at the crime scene, and they took great care in doing that. And you will see that this evidence has stood the test of time.
Investigators using bodily fluids found on Tana Togsted's body and a bloody handprint in her home to tie Haase to the murder. It's an argument that his defense team is not buying, saying investigators cut corners in their analysis of evidence that was already degraded.
They're trying to solve cases. They're trying to solve cases. And they're going to push a square peg through a round hole no matter what they have to do.
Haase' attorney insisting that it was Hase's uncle, Jeff Teal, who died in 1995, who committed the murders.
His psychotic mind. This is a man who spends all of his off hours sharpening his knives to perfection. You're going to hear about him killing dogs, including his daughter's dog.
The defense reminding jurors that when this is all over, if they did find any reasonable doubt that Haase did this, they cannot find him guilty. After both sides finished their opening statements, prosecutors called up their first set of witnesses, which included the victim's friends and family members.
The evidence in this case ties one person, and only one person, to these murders. And that is the defendant, Tony Haase.
The trial is scheduled to last for 6 weeks. In Waupaca County, Paul Stino, Local 5 News.
We thank you, Paul.